Hi all, welcome to Vision for Community. So today I'm inviting to a special guest, Vidya. So she will give some kind of insight if you have a career gap, if you need some kind of goal in your life, how you can manage with your whatever the hassles around you. So that is the best example. I just invite Vidya to this podcast. So Vidya has already 4 years of gap. Vidya overcome those 4 years of gap. Maybe her advice or her words will be giving some motivation for really struggling to getting a new job. Okay, that's why. Vidya, are you there?
Yeah. Yes, Devi.
Yeah. Vidya, thanks for joining this podcast. So I need your valuable input from your side. So can you give a bit introduction to the community member?
Okay, sure, Devi. Hi all. My name is Vidya Lakshmi. So actually, I started my career as .NET developer, and in 2020 June, I resigned from Cognizant because after maternity, I couldn't join back. I have twins, so because of some personal emergency, like to take care of my kids and my family, I put a career gap. Around 4 years gap was there. Okay. So actually, at that time, I was in a confusion like what to do next because I was working as a .NET developer before. So in between, I searched many courses and from many people working in IT field, I got advice like to change the technology. Like I need to switch the technology and I need to change my career into AI or data related things. So I came to know about, especially from my husband, I came to know about this data engineering stuff. So at first I had a confusion like whether I can I can I means I can quickly learn the things and I can grab a job like it will be difficult for me or it is easy for to get a job. Like of course we should have a minimum years of experience, but I didn't have any experience in data related fields or anything. So at first I had a confusion, but later I joined in. I came to know about Vision Board community and Devi's course and all. So I joined the course and I got a proper understanding about what is data engineering and what are the stuff we need to do as a data engineer. And apart from that, I prepared from my end. I prepared from attending the different YouTube videos and all. So I just started learning about the data engineering process and all. And from the base, she's explaining very clearly. And I got a very clear cut idea from very base. Okay. Then after completing 3 months course, I just started attending interviews. Like I didn't put anything to uh, what the 4 years gap I kept as it is, and what I done is I did a complete project like from end start to end. Like I did a end to end project from my end, and Devi in her course she's explaining how to do like everything she's explaining well, and from my end I also did an end to end project, and I put that project in my resume to showcase the experience. And I started attending interviews. So at first, I faced a little bit difficulty. Of course, I was totally new in this field, so I faced little bit difficulty. But later, I picked up like after my attending interviews and all, and at the same time in Vision Board WhatsApp groups, many people are sharing the interview questions and many documents they are providing. The documentation is very good from Vision Board community. So that helped me a lot. That helped me a lot. Okay. So finally, with a conference, I started attending interviews, and with God's grace, like I could grab one, and I joined. Okay, in last August, I joined with one company. So what I understood is like, see, when what I can say, like, see, what I got from this vision board training is like it was really helpful for me. Like, see, I could understand the things from very scratch, and everything. Like, the classes are very much helpful. Like, daily 1 hour classes only, so we can prepare from our end very well. And at the same time, we need to see, they will be sharing many YouTube links and many certification things and all. So at the same time, we have to prepare from our end. She's supporting very well. So thank you so much, Devi, for acquiring a good opportunity.
But
Thank you.
you goes to you really because your consistency, your dedication is the main factor. Because as a mentor, I can do some kind of guidance, right? Complete dedication from your end. So Vidya, I'm also grateful to you. So getting an opportunity to get this kind of job after the 4 years of maternity gap at all. So Vidya, I just want to know about, is it easy or not if we have a career gap, either in the maternity or in any other personal reason? How difficulty you will be facing to cracking the interviews?
Yeah, Devi, of course. See, the 4 years gap was it was a very tough thing for getting an opportunity, especially at this point of time in IT. So I struggled a lot in the first of 1 month. I struggled a lot for getting even one interview call, because most of the interviewers will call, and when they are coming to know about our career gap and all, no, so they
Mhm.
won't follow up, like they won't call further. Okay, so I
Mhm.
disappointed very well. I disappointed. So finally, what happened now? See, you we will get a lot of calls from Naukri. I updated my profile in Naukri and LinkedIn, only two places. Okay, a lot of the calls I am getting from Naukri. So at first, maybe they will be conducting 1 or 2 rounds of interview, and even if we are selecting for the second round as well, they won't be calling. Like at that time only, see, they will came to know about the 4 years gap and all. So most of the times they will be rejecting because of this gap.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
see, I didn't lose my confidence, and again and again I prepared from my end, and with confidence I explained everything. Like at the same time, I was practicing, like application level knowledge also we want. So the interviewers, like they know, like 4 years I'm not working. So 4 years, within this 4 years, lot of changes happened in IT industry. Okay, of course they will, especially in data engineering. So of
Exactly.
course they will ask, like,
Things are changing. Last few years, updation is happening. So that is the main challenges.
yeah, yes, that was a big challenge. But I see, after attending your like Devi's uh, training, so we got many late, see, because she is learning, sorry, she is teaching very latest stuff. So we got confidence to do whatever things in real time, like in as a real time project, whatever things we have to do, and whatever things we have to prepare, everything we are getting from this
Thank
course.
you.
Okay, so I got this confidence from your, of course, from Devi's training classes, and finally, I got an opportunity. So I took, without any hesitation. I took that. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Vidya. But we I just want to know, there are lots of people around, right? For they are having this gap. So, any shortcut you can suggest them getting an interview call, because you also struggled, right? So getting an interview call. Any kind of shortcut you applied for getting the interview call after like a 4 years of gap or something. Every day you are updating the Naukri. Other than that, anything else?
Yeah, of course. Actually, every day I was updating in Naukri, but see, for data engineering, I what I understood is lot of opportunities are there. Even with this career gap, also I was getting calls daily. At least 5 to 6 calls I was getting daily wise. And the thing is, like if we are adding certifications, then the calls will be more. And see, um, see, I was continuously applying whatever thing I am getting in mail. So I was continuously applying, and I was continuously trying. Okay, that was the thing from my end. I did.
No.
Okay.
I think if anyone is struggling, they can also get the thing, right? At least if they
Yeah,
have
sure.
experience.
Sure, Devi.
Uh,
Sure, Devi. The only thing is, like, we should be confident in interviews. like 4 years gap. Since 4 years gap is there, the interview it all depends upon the interviewers, but still the interview will be little bit crucial
Mhm.
because we already have this gap.
Yes.
So we should be very much confident. For that confidence, we need to prepare very well from our end, and
Okay.
of course, your course also help me a lot. Okay,
Mhm. Okay,
thank
Vidya.
you.
One more thing, Vidya, any other suggestion you want to tell the people, like especially women who are struggling, like anything you want to give suggestion or your interview experience, how they want to prepare, like any time. That is the one of the question need to ask because people are asking me how they crack, how many rounds, or what are the main focus in their interviews.
Okay. See, of course, see, we need to prepare SQL and Python, PySpark. Okay, so together. So daily, at least 2 to 3 hours we can spend for that is what I'm telling is maximum. Minimum at least 1 hour we can spend for getting the coding experience. Like most of the interviewers will be asking at least one question in coding level. So the Python and SQL, it's very compulsory. Like we should practice things.
Python or
And
Python, anything would be better.
yeah, anything is better. Yeah, even that depends upon our experience also. Because in my resume, I put SQL 7 years experience. That's why I was getting more questions from SQL.
Oh,
And
okay.
uh, apart from that, we can expect at least one question from Python. Of course, they will ask at least one or two questions from Python. And see the see this is what we need to do from like we need to practice daily. Like most of the questions will be in application level, and see if we if we have confidence to do, like even if we are writing the pseudocode, even with the confidence we are writing now, then of course we'll get a chance.
Okay, okay. So that means the conference is the main thing when friends crack
Yeah,
the
yes,
interview.
yes, sure. So
Oh,
that confidence we are getting, like with practice and by attending this kind of trainings as well. Okay.
yes,
Okay.
we
Of
can.
course, your motivation, Devi, because daily wise you are updating in your WhatsApp groups, the like whatever we need to prepare and what kind of questions we need to face. Uh, Even from personal experience, like see, you were sharing many questions, whatever you faced in your interviews. So we got that information level. We got many things like your documentation. Everything was helping me a lot. Okay, so maybe
Yes.
because of that, I got that confidence. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Devi.
So I think thank you, Vidya, for sharing your amazing podcast because this will help you a lot because I am getting a lot of inquiries. They are at least in the career gap and they don't have that much of years of experience. So maybe you are an inspiration for them also. Thanks again, Vidya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Devi, and all the best team for your future opportunities and all. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Same to you.